All yeah. The thing start. Okay, so we're finally getting to the beginning of this year-long adventure mission and capturing all these visuals of Panama in all its glory. But first, I have to run up to the Nomadic Movement crew so that I can pick up something that I want to introduce to you all in this video as well. So, exciting times! Let's do this! It's always so good to be here. So the plan today is to go to Bocas Del Toro. I have never driven that road, I've never been there. I don't know what I'm in for, and then I hear that there's going to be some protests and road closures along the way, so... Aww, look who... Hello, sweetie pie! Hello! Jordan! What's up, bro? No, this looks like a proper workshop now.
It's getting there, bro. You know, one tool at a time.
That's like 5 tools at a time.
So this is for you, my friend.
Thank you.
You got your goodies.
Sweet. Thank you much.
Dude, it's so soft.
Wow.
When I tried it on, especially the fleece part
Oh wow,
on the
this is so...
inside, it's so soft. Yeah, baby. So sick.
Put up advertising early.
Yeah. Dude, so sick. It fits you perfect.
Yeah?
Hells yeah.
Let's do this.
That's sweet, dude.
Woo!
Yeah.
Adios.
See, bro.
Action time. Okay, so that went well. I am really loving this sweater. It feels so soft and it's warm. What I didn't mention to you is that this line of clothing with my quote-unquote tagline is going to be available for any of you to purchase in the description below. So that's another announcement I had for you. So yeah, I'm bringing out some merch. I'm going to be doing a couple designs every week as well, so that I can add to the store. But as of right now, you can go up there and get some merch. Let's do this. As I was saying, I'm going to Bocas Del Toro, and apparently there are protests along the road that have been causing road closures for the past 3 days. I'm going with no guarantee of actually making it over there. I may get to the road closure, I may get in time for it to open up. I don't know. That's what adventure is all about, right? So let's see what I meet. So I was just told by a friend and reliable source that the roads are still closed, and it may open today or it may not. So I decided to stop home and get a tent, a hammock, and a blanket, just in case I don't get through. I don't feel like driving all the way back to Bocete. We're going camping. Let the real adventure begin. This is exciting. This is very exciting. Ah! Okay, so I'm driving along here and I had to stop. Check this out. Yeah, that's pretty intense. My God. Alright, I believe I'm at a checkpoint right now, so let's see how this goes. Hola, buenas.
¿Cuánto cuesta este carro?
¿Tú hablas en inglés? ¿Cédula?
No,
Bocas Del Toro?
Almirante y
Almirante, sí.
Stop allá,
It's closed ahead, cerrado.
cerraron.
How long?
7
7 p.m. PM.
Bien.
Okay. Gracias. Okay, so it seems like he was warning me about the road closure ahead and it will open up at 7 p.m. So it looks like I'll be camping out or overnighting somewhere because 7 p.m. is way too late to try to get over to Bocas Del Toro. There's a boat ride, a ferry ride involved that I'm not going to be able to hop over. So yeah, I guess I'm sleeping in a tent or in a hammock somewhere tonight. We'll see how it goes. Oh my god. Holy sh... So I just saw a trail that looks like it goes somewhere down to that dam, and I am very intrigued and curious. So they say curiosity killed the cat. I'm that cat. Wow. Okay, here we go. Drone time. Okay, onward and forward. What else are we gonna find? So I found me a trail that goes down to the other side of the dam. I'm assuming I could get to something like a little waterfall or something, big waterfall, a river, something like that. So let's see where it goes. Don't you hate when that happens? Turn around time. Look what I found. Whoa, this is the actual river. So I assume this is a pumping station of sorts. I could be wrong because I'm not hearing or seeing anything electronic, but seems to be driving the water in some direction. Let's go exploring some more. Something tells me I'm really not supposed to be here. Kinda cool though. So inviting, but I really gotta get going. It's 1:30 now and I still don't know what's ahead, so I'll probably come back sometime and try to take a dip, but it's so beautiful though. A lot to do in Bocas Del Toro, so let me not try to do everything in one. Okay, so the rain is really dumping now, and if any of you know about off-roading, you know what that can do to a trail. So this little off-road trail that I'm now climbing out of, getting a little sketchy, but it's still very manageable. So I've been driving for a little while now on some really horrible road. I don't know how close to Bocas Del Toro I am, and I have absolutely no service. No data, no cellular service, nothing. Let's just keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming. Hello.
Hola.
¿Cómo se llama?
¿Qué? Bernal.
Bernard?
Ajá.
¿Y tú?
Carlo.
Carlo. ¿Y tú?
Yasmin.
Min.
Yasmin.
Y this? $1 por the culantro?
Sí, $1.
Okay.
Hey, Chuy, regálame ese celular. $1.
Yes,
$1.
cámara.
Celular, $1. $1.
All right, hold on. You got $1? No. Abajo. Un,
Regálame a $1.
dos. For you?
A mí ve.
You have one.
Eso es una mía.
Él. Gracias. Okay, adiós.
A ella ve. Regálame
Adiós.
$10. A ella ve. Regálame $10.
That's it. Abajo.
$20 para empezar.
Abajo.
Para investigataria.
Abajo. Adios. Alright, so that was an interesting little experience there. As I'm getting closer to the other side of Chiriquí, I am noticing a bunch of wooden houses and a bunch of little kids selling culantro, which is Shadow Benny in Trinidad. I absolutely love that. So I figured, why not support the community a little bit? And wow, those kids are little hustlers. Some of them circle around to the other side to see the camera equipment. So I was telling them to get off of the truck because I don't want their little curious hands sticking in and taking anything. But that was fun. Gotta be careful though. I think I just found another trail, yet another trail that goes down to a bigger river. Why am I like this? But yeah, I'm gonna check it out. So I don't speak a word of Spanish, but I think I'm going to have a word with the locals here. Get some footage of what they're doing with their fishing.
What are you doing out here?
I'm driving to Bocas Del Toro.
Have you been there before?
No,
Never.
never. It's my first time.
Man,
I'm exploring. You speak very good English.
yeah, I have to. My line of work.
Right. What are the odds of me finding somebody who speaks English here in the middle of the river catching fish? That was actually quite pleasant. I think I'm gonna get his contact details, and if I need to come in this location and do some stuff, I'll use him as my contact point. So I'm gonna grab my phone now and get his number. This is in Bocas del Toro?
Yeah, it's here. It's here. I mean, I was there this morning.
You were in that place this morning?
Yeah. These two coolers. That place is beautiful.
Thank you, bro.
Yeah, no worries.
Much pleasure.
Okay, that's
Alright. Well, sometimes you find things, sometimes you don't. And I think I just found me a new friend. So he really knows the area and he really knows Bocas. So that can only be a good thing. Shall we proceed? So I'm 51 minutes from Almirante and I haven't seen a roadblock yet. That's good news. It looks like I actually just may make it to Bocas del Toro today. So far so good. I think I'm close to the coast based on the map. I'm just gonna keep pressing on until I see something weird. Okay, so I can officially see the other coast and y'all gotta see this. I mean, seriously, that by itself, I feel like just staying here and taking time lapses of it. Look how huge those mountains are. Okay, so I think I just passed this spot that they had the road closed. I saw a bunch of trees on the side of the road, some huge trees. A bunch of burn marks on the road. The good news is, no roadblocks yet. I mean, not talk too fast, but nothing yet. So yeah, Oh, whoa, talk too fast. Okay, that wasn't too bad. It was just, I guess, more clearing of roadblocks. Whew, so far so good. Progressing. Let's make this happen. Okay, I think I just made it to Almirante. I should be seeing the ocean anytime soon, and probably the ferry that takes the car over. The plan is to leave it with someone, pick it up in the morning because it only goes over at 7 a.m. I personally am going across to Bocas. Hopefully I do get my truck on the island tomorrow. Okay folks, there's something that I forgot to include in this video, and it's very important and it's great news. Another announcement. I have a new sponsor, and it's a gentleman by the name of Mike, and he is the founder of Inside Panama Real Estate. Really great guy. I was introduced to him by Kake from the Nomadic team, and since then he has created opportunities and helped me along the way to getting this all mobilized in a big way. You really should check out his stuff. He has something like 6 locations across Panama for properties and so on, and he has been here for many years doing exactly that. He is well equipped. He's been here long enough. If you're interested in coming to Panama and you're looking for that plan B, and you want some information on where you can purchase or rent and so on, check the information in the description below to be able to contact them. So big thanks to Inside Panama Real Estate for coming on board and sponsoring the channel and just being a partner in general. Thank you. Okay, so I just met the guy who's supposed to be taking the truck, taking me to the water taxi for me to get over, and then bringing the truck across, or sending the truck across for me tomorrow morning. Kind of nervous about this whole scene, but let's see how it goes. I have to trust the locals, right? Let's do this. Now that was a full day. Wow. I got to the port and met with Tyson. He is my contact here and really nice guy. So accommodating, so hospitable. It's a great start to being here in Bocas Del Toro. I got here at night, so I can't really see where I am or what it looks like as yet. But I'll be up bright and early in the morning to see Bocas, and the adventure really starts. To think that today was just the journey here and then the adventure really starts tomorrow is a bit mind-blowing. Y'all are in for quite a treat over the next few weeks. So it's really good to eventually start. No more promises, no more delays. This is it. It has begun. Like, subscribe, share all of it. Show people what Panama really is about and how great it looks and all that it has to offer. Welcome to Bocas del Toro. See you guys.